Hello, my name is Tom Doherty and you're welcome to our demonstration on how Scotchgard works. First of all, here we have a dining room seat pad which we were asked to clean and to put a protector on there. And I'm going to just spill some coffee on this seat pad now. Had this no Scotchgard on it, I wouldn't do this because I'd be too concerned as to leaving a permanent stain. But this is the demonstration how the Scotchgard works. You'll see there that the liquid runs straight off, and the little piece of residue that's left I can just dab off with the towel, and I'm completely confident that there'll be no stain there and that we'll have a very satisfied customer. That's the residue that's left after the original ran off the side there. Now underneath this we also have a rug which was given to us, and we were asked also to put a protector on this rug. So again, I wouldn't do this if there was no protector on here, but because I'm confident that we'll have no problem with it, I'll leave this off here to the side. And you'll notice I didn't panic. I didn't use any other liquid or any other detergent to remove this, and now I'll just take it off very, very easily. So there we go. That's most of it. And I'll dry it off one more time, but I'm certain by now that I have all the stain out. So there we go. So I think we can confidently bring these two items back to our customer, and I'm sure that she will be delighted with the results. Thank you for watching.